I'm gonna tell you what, I'd take this thing there as fast as possible, just so I can have something to do.
All right, we got the Mountaineer up on the lift. We got our running boards off. They're over here on the ground. If anybody wants them, $50. They're pretty nice. This thing should do us pretty good off-road. We need to get a skid plate for the gas tank. It is metal, believe it or not. And we got to get us a skid plate for the transfer case. There's actually not too much rust under this thing. It looks pretty good. We're going to put a locker in it and add a leaf in here, get her up a little bit. This thing's got the traction bars on it, some sort of damper for the rear end, Ford 8.8, best rear end ever made. So we'll get to putting these big old add leaves in. You're going to see how these come off here. Not too bad. So we're thinking we can leave the leave this pad on the bottom here and slide our leaf in. We will see. Okay.
Once you clamp that sucker, everything is off.
Oh, she's gonna get everything right up.
All right. Nice. Who said we couldn't do it?
They were tight.
Yeah, I'd say.
So we put the add leaf between the overload and the regular spring pack, and you can see here, that's the bottom of the axle. These Explorers are spring under, unfortunately. But we got this long bolt in here, and now we're gonna crank this up, and hopefully it doesn't explode and we die. Oh, you can see the whole thing. Never mind.
This should be an unedited video.
Oh yeah, 3 hours long. People would love it.
Cut it because I'm running out of socket. It's pushing me out.
Man.
Good. up to get it on, or get it off. Maybe you do need it like on. What?